Hi everyone! Welcome to Cupcake's Playhouse. My name is Avery and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Remember to ask for an adult's permission. Let's get started. You'll need a half cup of white glue, half a teaspoon of baking soda, contact lens solution, and food coloring. This is optional. First, pour the glue into your bowl. Then add the baking soda. And add a few drops of food coloring. Then stir it all together. Now start adding your contact lens solution and stir. You want to add it slowly because if you put too much, the slime will be hard and not stretchy. Repeat until your slime starts to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Now knead the slime. And here's the finished slime. It's super fun to play with. And that's how you make slime. I hope you have fun making your own slime. Thanks for watching. Bye! Cupcake's Playhouse. Like and subscribe!